Now I am going to review about the Bajaj Microwave Grill model, which we have recently bought via Amazon. This is one of the best microwave oven that I have ever used. There are n number of features. There are n number of features which Bajaj supports. We will try to discuss about them in detail in this video. So this is the model. So the price would be very nominal when compared to other microwave ovens. So I bought on Prime Day. So the price of this product was nearly 4,000 rupees. So if you buy this product on Amazon, you could buy at the best price possible. So this is the front side of the microwave oven. If you open it, you could see the glass which was provided by the Bajaj company itself, and then the rotating knob. So these are the two things that are required for microwave oven. So you need to be very careful while handling this glass, because if you drop this glass on the floor, there are many chances that it will get broken. So you please be careful while handling this glass, while cleaning the glass. And then these are the two things that are provided. These are the two things to control the heat generated by the microwave one. First one is power and the second one is timer. So if you are using you need to select the required power for reheating or while cooking the vegetables. For example, if you are just reheating the food that was in the fridge, then you can select the defrost mode, and then you can select the required number of minutes for reheating. So this is the simplest thing, that low, defrost, medium, high grill, combi 1, combi 2, combi 3. These are the various modes that was supported by the Bajaj, and up to 30 minutes you can use this microwave at a stretch. So now we are going to heat the water. So this cup is supported by the microwave. So only few utilities that are supported by the microwave. So please try to get the knowledge about that thing. So I have poured some water into this cup, and I am keeping this cup here, and then I am closing this door, and then I am selecting the timer to 1 minute. If you observe closely, you could see that cup is rotating in some direction. After 1 minute, the timer will stop, and we can see the heat of the product. So you need to get the knowledge about the products that can be used inside the microwave. And there are some parts, there are some utensils that shouldn't be used inside the microwave. You can you can check the description box of this video for knowing more information about the parts that can be kept inside the microwave and that shouldn't be kept inside the microwave. So after 1 minute, what it will happen is the timer becomes 0, and then it will stop. You can take the utensil outside. If you touch the water, you could feel the warmness. So I could feel the warmness. So I just kept it for 30 seconds. I could feel the warmness of this water. So that's the power of this Bajaj microwave. And if you are trying to buy the similar product, you can click on the link which is at the description box of this video, so that you could buy the product at the best possible price on Amazon.